Hey, it's Christina with Tina Girl Life, and in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video into TouchChat. Now, if you're watching this video, likely you already know what TouchChat is all about, but if you don't know what it is, TouchChat is a communication app designed for people who have difficulty using verbal speech. A student that I work with loves watching videos, so we're going to embed some YouTube videos that he can choose from into TouchChat on his iPad. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is find a video on YouTube that we want to add. I'm going to take a screenshot of it so that I can actually create a nice thumbnail. I'm going to use this one here, and I'm going to crop the image like this, and then I'm going to save it to photos. The next thing I'm going to do is click on the video itself, and I'm going to go down here to the share button. Click on that. This window will pop up and you will simply click on the blue copy button, and then you can leave YouTube. You have everything you need to add the video to TouchChat. All right, we're going to click on the TouchChat button, and that opens up your main page. And I'm going to click on my watch button, and that opens up all the videos that I've already added. I do have space here, but I'm going to move on to the next page where I have lots of room. When I get on that page, I want to click on the menu button on the top right corner. Your bar across the top will go from mustard yellow to red. Red means you can start making changes. So once again, click on menu in the top right corner and edit page. This little window will pop up and you'll just click on create new button. You're going to add your button label and it will automatically fill in your button message, but you can change that if you wanted to say something else. Now a picture of a giraffe pops up for us, but remember we made our own thumbnail for this using a screenshot from YouTube. You will scroll down under the picture and it gives you some options. Go to import photo, you'll find your cropped picture there. Select it, move it around if you need to. From here I scroll down and change my font and font size and my border size. At the bottom we come to the button actions. Here's where you're going to click on add. We select play video and then it will ask us what type of video. We select YouTube video, and remember when we were in YouTube and we clicked that copy button, now we simply paste that link here. Here's the most important step, click save. Now we want to click done in the top left corner. Let's see if our video worked. There it is. Perfect. Thanks for watching Tina Girl Life. I hope I was able to help you out today. Check the description below for the steps we just went over. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring that bell for more fun and informative videos. Here's some videos I think you might like watching next. I'll see you next time on Tina Girl Life.